Hi, in the next few minutes we will learn how to add a calculated field to your table and how to apply calculations using structured references. So we have a table, as you can see, that tracks the June transactions. And what if we have a commission for each transaction that is 5% of the amount? So I'm going to add a field here called commission and calculate 5% of the amount. So all you need to do is just in F1 type commission. Once you hit enter, you see how your table grows to include commission. So essentially we're going to create a commission field that looks like this that is highlighted here. Okay, so commission is 5% of amount. One way to do that is you can put equals, and so this 507.52 is in E2, so you type E2 times 5%. You can type it this way or 0.05, either one will work. You hit enter and it works fine. And the nice thing about using tables and calculated fields like you see here, you don't have to copy the formula down, it is copied for you. Okay, but instead of using E2, we're going to use the structured reference for amount. So each one of these headings can be utilized as structured reference. And to apply structured reference, you do a square bracket, and you see that all the headings on your table, right? And we want amount. Instead of typing E2, we're gonna double click on amount here, and then close the bracket. So amount times 5%. Now, if you hit enter, it works just fine, just like we did before. And as a matter of fact, look, if I hit delete here and I do equals, click on the 507, it adds a structured reference for me. Don't bother with this add for now, but this is the structured reference for amount times 5%. And again, it works fine. Okay, so now we'll calculate the total commissions. What's the total for all of these? Anytime you hear the word total, typically you want to think of the sum function. So we are interested in adding up commission. So if you do equals sum of amount, like this, and you hit enter, it's not going to work because it doesn't know where amount is coming from. So to make this work, you gotta tell Excel that, I should put commission, not amount. So you gotta tell Excel where this commission is located, which is in this table. If you go to Table Tools Design, it's called June Sales TBL. So you do equals sum of, then you tell Excel where it's coming from, the commission. So you type June Sales TBL, right? This is the table's name. It highlights the table. And then from this table, we're interested in commission. So you do open square bracket, double click on commission, close the square bracket, and close the parenthesis. We call this structured reference, or the longer name is fully qualified structured reference, because you're qualifying where commission is coming from. It's coming from the June sales table. You hit enter and you get the proper amount.